Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically import audio from your library into the CapCut PC app. So if you're not on the page, just go to media, and for instance you're in like spaces or library, just select the local and select import. And then you are just going to select the audio that you want to add, for instance this one. Then you can just drag it into your track, and that is it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding to this video, you can just place it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!